Hello. So today I'm going to be recording this video called How to Make a TTS Message from the the TSS message about the TSS message with your voice command. Now, here's how you do the voice command with the TSS messages. Now, for example, you will say, I don't know how to read these messages. What did I do? Well, for example, you could tell everyone the TSS messages by saying the TTS command and then type in your own message. For example, hi, how are you doing? And then now watch this. Hi, how are you doing today? Here we go.
Larry Koopa, Joey Gregorowitz said hi, how are you doing today?
So yeah,
AAA said oh hey J Gamer.
Yeah,
Blink said what the fuckity fuck, put a fucking cum sock in a
Yeah,
fucking
I'm
toaster
sorry
and
that
fucking eat it up and fucking fuckity fuck. Blink said good.
Yeah, sorry about the ping, but this is how you do it. Sorry about the cursing, but there are some people that they were cursing about. So this is how you ping it, and then this is the response that he said that. So for example, you just say the curse like if I know there's TSS messages. Now to make the voice command, I want you to go to the server settings by clicking on that. And if you go to not server settings, hold on. If you go to your user settings and then click on notifications, you could push the notification active by one timeout. It says Discord's avoid sending notifications, but I know if you want to choose the options. But this one I'm worrying about. This is called the text speech notifications. If you have turned them on, please make sure to turn this on. This is a simple reason that we are understanding what turn is on. You can also turn on for all channels. That will activate. You can also turn on, if you want TCC command, you go to text images. Then you turn on allow to playback usage of TSS command. That will access you to command the voice for your bot to use. So just remember that. So yeah, that's how you get your TSS commands using one of those reasons. So remember, you can use the TSS commands, and you can also use the server setting, or you can use your profile with your settings, and then click on the for all channels if you want to check on if you want to turn on TSS or not. Then you will be able to proceed that. Then it will access you to this command, like this. Not this. Oops. Like this one. I know it's going to be everywhere. That way, everyone will know that the TSS messages will be shown. So there's a way how you type the messages. That's how you type a messages. That's how you use the command for TSS message on Discord. So remember, this Discord is important for us. So please like and subscribe and share the stream. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Eats twist.